is the man behind the channel, Smotri Suda, dedicated to solo trips and exploring the unknown in the forest. But on this night, on July 29th, 2021, Alexander was alone near his tent, eating his fish, when strange sounds started creeping through the darkness.
What the hell is this? What the is this? What the is this? The is about to start. Oh.
High-pitched calls echoed through the trees. The sounds were eerie, and something about them felt off. The setting sun cast a dim glow across the landscape, but he still wasn't sure what was out and what had made those sounds. He stayed alert, whispering to himself and trying to remain calm as the forest seemed to watch his every move. Every crack of a branch made him tense up even more. And by morning, he finally allowed himself to rest. Nothing was gone, nothing had attacked, but the forest still felt like it was watching,